Yo guys, so this is our video. I've received 2 packages, one from Game and one from this place. Now let's get opening. So let's see what's in. Let's go for the unverified package first. Right, I guess if we can just take this one off. I have not opened this yet. How does this one work? Right, let's rip this one open. We have, aha, finally, I have my new iPad mini case, as my one did break. So drop a like for that. And it's in a nice soup thing. Right, now let's open the bad boys. I get merchandise. Oh, hold on. It seems like this one is from France. Now let's see what Game has generously sent us. So, well, we have been given Call of Duty Ghosts with a bonus map pack free for all. Everybody has that. What's this? Now all the credits. Now, we have just got Watch Dogs, boys. Right. Yep. I want 3 likes for all of this. Yeah. And 1 more subscriber. Right, I'll be making a video on that later. Well, this is just going to go on my iPad. So yeah, drop a like and yeah, as you can see I've had my hair cut and peace.